The use of lower clamping force would mean less wear for our molds. The software helps to achieve a substantial clamping force reduction during the mold clamping phase of each cycle, which means less energy requirements during that phase. The use of lower clamping force would mean less wear for our molds. During our first test with the IQ clamp control, it became evident to us that the software was easy to use. We decided to request special training from Enkel so that we can explore its full possibilities, help us to understand the way IQ clamp control is properly set up, the whole concept behind its use, and finally how we could use it in a proper way to maximize the energy efficiency without risking the quality of our plastic components. Well, BIC is a family-owned company and a world leader in stationery, lighters and savers that brings simplicity and joy to everyday life.